History is shaped by rare moments when powerful companies introduce world-changing ideas. Today, we stand at the dawn of another such moment, the rise of intelligent robotics. Advances in AI are transforming robots into adaptable, interactive partners. The winner will shape a multi-trillion-dollar market and redefine humanity's future. A new industrial revolution is here, powered by intelligent robots. The future is being built, right now. To glimpse the future of robotics, look at Xiaomi's journey. Xiaomi began as a disruptor in smartphones, offering high-quality tech at unbeatable prices. Their success wasn't just about phones, it was about building an ecosystem of smart, affordable products. From TVs to fitness bands and electric scooters, Xiaomi's expansion was relentless. This strategy created a loyal global fan base and taught Xiaomi how to innovate, scale, and listen to users. The company mastered complex hardware, software, and global supply chains. Xiaomi's boldness became its identity, allowing it to challenge industry leaders and win. Entering the electric vehicle market proved Xiaomi could tackle even the toughest manufacturing challenges. Xiaomi evolved from a phone maker to a true technology superpower. This journey gave Xiaomi the skills and confidence to pursue its most ambitious goal yet: humanoid robotics. Their experience in building interconnected devices and understanding consumer needs set the stage. Xiaomi's story is about more than products. It's about shaping the future. Now they're ready to take on the next frontier. The leap from smartphones to robots is bold, but Xiaomi is prepared. The world is about to see what happens when a superpower enters robotics. When Tesla unveiled its humanoid robot, Optimus, the tech world took notice. Elon Musk's vision robots handling dangerous, repetitive jobs, freeing humans for creative pursuits. This bold move challenged the entire industry, and Xiaomi was watching. Instead of seeing a threat, Xiaomi saw an opportunity. Inspired by Tesla, Xiaomi accelerated its own robotics ambitions, forming a dedicated team and investing heavily. Their goal, not just to match Optimus, but to surpass it. Xiaomi's culture of rapid innovation and risk-taking kicked into overdrive. Building a humanoid robot became a top priority, a moonshot project demanding breakthroughs in engineering and AI. For Xiaomi, this was the next logical step in creating a seamless, intelligent world. Their vision, a robot that could connect and control the entire Xiaomi ecosystem, from homes to factories. The race with Tesla was on, and Xiaomi was all in. The competition would push both companies and the industry into uncharted territory. Robots working alongside humans is no longer science fiction, it's reality. In factories and warehouses, robots like Tesla's Optimus are already transforming manufacturing. These machines lift heavy parts, work tirelessly, and boost efficiency and safety. Advanced sensors and AI let them see, navigate, and perform tasks with precision. Early Optimus models are learning on Tesla's production lines, generating data to improve their AI. Robots are making workplaces safer by taking on hazardous jobs, reducing injuries. Human workers can now focus on supervision, maintenance, and creative problem-solving. Today's robots augment humans, they don't replace them. But current robots still struggle with unpredictability and lack human adaptability. The challenge: build robots that can think on their feet and handle the messy real world. Tesla and Xiaomi are racing to solve this, aiming for robots that can truly work anywhere. The impact will reach far beyond factories. The age of automated labor is just beginning. Xiaomi's vision goes beyond industrial robots. They want to build a true human-like companion. Their goal: a robot that moves with human grace and interacts naturally in daily life. Achieving this means mastering complex mechanics and advanced AI that understands emotion and intent. Imagine a robot that reads your expressions, anticipates your needs, and communicates through speech and gesture. Xiaomi is investing in empathetic AI, aiming for a robot that's a helpful assistant, patient teacher, and trusted friend. This aligns with Xiaomi's philosophy: technology should adapt to people, not the other way around. The ultimate goal is a robot that feels like part of the family, accessible to all ages. Building such a machine requires seamless integration of hardware and software. Xiaomi is leveraging its expertise in consumer electronics and AI to make this dream real. Their ambition: a robot that's not just smart, but truly human-centric. Xiaomi's robotics journey began with CyberOne, their first full-sized humanoid robot. Unveiled at a major launch, CyberOne showcased Xiaomi's ambition and technical prowess. It could walk, greet the CEO, and even hand over a flower, a striking debut. More than a demo, CyberOne was a research platform, teaching engineers about balance, locomotion, and control. Its advanced motors and vision system enabled precise movement and emotion recognition. Though slow and limited, CyberOne's real purpose was learning and laying the groundwork for future robots. Every test provided data to improve the next generation. CyberOne helped Xiaomi build a world-class robotics team and core technologies. It was a public declaration: Xiaomi was serious about robotics. The lessons from CyberOne are now fueling a secret, far more advanced project. CyberOne was just the beginning. Xiaomi's robotics story is only getting started. Xiaomi's edge in robotics comes from an unexpected place: its electric vehicle division. Building smart cars and robots both require real-time perception, decision-making, and advanced sensors. Xiaomi's self-driving tech, cameras, LiDAR, radar, and powerful AI, translates directly to robotics. The same systems that help cars navigate traffic now help robots understand homes and workplaces. AI algorithms for predicting movement and making decisions are shared across both platforms. Years of investment in autonomous driving have given Xiaomi a powerful robot brain. This synergy accelerates robot development and cuts costs. Battery, chip, and cooling tech from EVs are repurposed for robots. Xiaomi's car division is a training ground for its robotics ambitions. While others start from scratch, Xiaomi leverages massive R&D across industries. This cross-pollination makes Xiaomi a formidable robotics competitor. As 2026 begins, rumors swirl about Xiaomi's secret robot project. The company's silence only heightens anticipation. Insiders suggest the project is far more advanced than expected. If Xiaomi succeeds, it could revolutionize productivity, home life, and elder care. The impact would rival the smartphones, ushering in a new era of must-have technology. This is more than a product launch. It's a global race for AI and robotics leadership. Xiaomi's robot could symbolize China's rise in innovation, challenging Silicon Valley's dominance. The rivalry with Tesla reflects a larger global competition. The world is waiting. Will Xiaomi deliver the Optimus killer everyone expects? One thing is certain: a new titan is rising and the world is watching.